Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The tank skid plate needs replaced. It's pretty well rusted out. I'll get down and show you, and if you do like my content, please leave a like. That helps me out. Plus subscribe. That'd help me out so I can keep bringing you this content. I'd like to bring you a lot more, but without subscribers, it's kind of hard to do so. So if you could, please subscribe and we'll get to work on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. Okay, this is what we're working on today. This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Looks like I'm going to have to do brakes on it soon, and possibly a rear the bearing on there, but that rear bearing, I done the other side, but it sounds like it's making noise again, so I'll have to look at that. Maybe it could be the U-joints, so I'll check those out while I'm out here. But I want to show you what's going on with this. Okay. That is our problem. That tank is exposed. Only thing holding it up is that. So there's not much left of it. Looks like we'll have to pop up off the rear bumper. So I'll have to figure out how that comes off. So we'll get started. I know I'm going to have to take the hitch off too. And those bolts don't look terrible. But we're going to get started. Alright guys, it takes a Torx bit. And it is a T20 Torx bit. Okay guys, got little push clips like this, and they separate in the middle. You pull this up. I just used a screwdriver, pulled that up, and then I was able to pop them out. You got some here, and then you got a couple down here and a couple on this side. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. But yeah, they're not too terrible. The ones that are on the side, like these, are a pain in the butt. I did not have my tool. I have a tool to do this, and I could not find it. Imagine that. Whenever you need something, it's never there. Alright guys. There's a clip here. I used a long screwdriver, trying to be careful not to touch this. That was already there, but I popped it, went underneath and popped it up, and it popped right out. On the back side, there's a bolt here that this screws into the plastic. It's a 10mm, so you'll back that off, and then it'll release the bumper from the car after you get all those clips done. So now we're going to move on to the pan. So this will be fun. Alright guys, we're back. I got it in. There's the new pan. Pain in the butt. There's a bracket over there that's got a bolt in it. And then you got that heat shielding. It's got 2 bolts in it. Make sure you take those out. See that? I don't know if you can see that bracket. Let me grab the flashlight. Ah, here it is. Okay. See if we can get you down in there. See that bolt with the bracket just above the pumpkin? Right there. that's got a bolt in it, so a nut on it, so you have to take it out. So now I gotta be on working on the process of getting it lined up. This is not a fun job, especially with it raining. I'm gonna show you the old one. Right here's the old one. I'd say it's seen some better days. There's the tank straps. I don't know if I'm going to put that back on. She don't use it, and it might be, it's pretty heavy, so I don't know if I'm going to stick that back on there. And it'll give her some weight savings. Maybe she'll get a little better fuel economy. But I'll be back. I'll show you when it's in, what it looks like. Now I gotta wrestle this thing back up in there. And just make sure when you do this that the tank is empty completely, because there's only like a couple gallons in this, and it's still kind of awkward to work with. So just make sure there's as little gas as possible in it when you do this. So it'll make it even easier because it's such an awkward piece. So I'll let you guys go, and I'll be back when I got this up in there. Alright guys, we're finished. Here's what it looks like. Brand new pan underneath it. And that's all the rust. Well, that's done. Hope everybody liked the video. I tried to show you as much as I could with one person here. But that was fun. I wish I had a camera person, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. This had to get done. You guys seen the old one. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Have a great and wonderful day.